Hello, my dear friends. The mail has arrived. So it's a huge package and very heavy. I think I know what's inside, but I'm not 100% sure. Let's unbox it. Opa! Cool! Yes, buddy! Yes, buddy! Look at this huge package! Oh my gosh! Okay, buddy. Look at this. Alita Battle Angel Deluxe Edition Series box set. And here are 6 mangas, Deluxe Edition. Look at this beautiful artworks. And this one, the beginning. So I think they said that something inside, some special prints, some special artworks. Okay, let's just see one book with the hardcover. Yes. The smell of something new. Oh yeah, it's in colors, man. Oh, not everything, but yeah, this is the first manga with some awesome colored pages. Amazing, amazing. And let's just see these specials here from Yukito Kishiro. Oh yeah, with the autograph. Look at this beautiful picture, shiny. Oh my god. Whoa. Oh, okay, it's not shiny, but I like this with the tattoos. Wow. And here also with the autographs. This is amazing, dudes. Look at this shiny silver arms. Wow. And this also amazing. So now I need some good frames to hang those on my wall. I just saw this one with no number, and this is nothing other than The Holy Night and Other Stories. So this is good plus here inside. I like it very much. Look at this artwork here. And this artwork here. Oh yeah, this is my favorite one. Nice artwork too. And of course, yeah, motorball action. Okie dokie. This is very nice. Really satisfying package that arrived. I paid about 150 bucks for it, but it's absolutely worth the price. And for the end, just a little close-up, framed finally. Here you see her in the scrapyard with Zalem in the background. It looks just amazing with those little tattoos. I love this piece. It's amazing. Look at all those details. This one is not shiny, but it's so cute. And this one is the shiny one. Look at this glossy shiny effect, and also the scrapyard with some buildings in the background. And here you see Zalem in a bigger version, and she's just amazing. Look at those clothes and the details in the arms and the booty. Cool stuff, man. This one is my absolute favorite one. It's the shiniest of them all, and yeah, I just love that piece. Look at this. She looks amazing and very, very cute. I like this one, so it's yeah, it's just amazing. Hey guys, please do me the favor and click on the subscribe button and ringing bell, don't forget, and push this like button, thumbs up for this video, so we can push this video very, very high until the Alita Battle Angel movie maker man team sees it. And then when they see, whoa, there are so many Alita fans, we must make a sequel.